Good morning, students. I think all of you are fine at your home at this Corona pandemic session, and you are welcome to our online class from Birol Government College. I am Mohammad Rabul Hasan Khan. We will conduct the class. Today we will discuss on second paper the topics modifier. So modifier. At first, we should know what is modifier. The word modifier comes from modify. Modify. Modif. Modify means to give some extra information about anything, and the word which modified, that is called modifier. So modifier is, there are two types of modifier. There are two types of modifier. Modifier. One is pre-modifier, and number two, post-modifier. Post-modifier. So when a word sits before any noun or adjective or adverb and modifies that, that is pre-modifier. Pre means before. And when any modifier sitting after any word and modifies that word, that is called post-modifier. So post means after. So the position is not the fact. You will see where you will have to use the modifier according to that position. That modifier will be called pre-modifier or post-modifier. But what word or phrases are used as modifier, we have to know that. Which word or phrases will be used as modifier, we should know that, and we should have a clear conception about it. Suppose as modifier we will get noun, adjective, noun, adjective, adverb, adverbial phrase, participle, phrase, determiner, possessive, appositive, quantifier, We all these words or phrases will be used as modifier. Suppose noun. So there can be raised a question how a noun can be used as a modifier. If you will get, there are two nouns used by side. then first noun will be used as modifier. Suppose there is a question, I went to the field, I went to the field to enjoy. The instruction is here, use a noun as modifier mass. So we will have to use a noun here as modifier. The question is, I went to the field to enjoy. The instruction is use a noun as modifier mass. That means we have to use such a word that will modify this word mass. Mass is also a noun. And when a noun will be used before mass, that noun will be used here as an adjective, and that is a modifier. So you can use here enjoy football. So I went to the field to enjoy a football match or cricket match. Cricket match. So the football or cricket, both words are noun, but in this sentence, in this position, this word has been used as adjective. And football or cricket has modified the word match. So again, you can write another sentence or you will get such kind of sentence. I paid the use a noun as modifier. Modifier. Fare. So I paid the bus fare. The word bus is a noun. Here, bus has modified the word fare. That means what kind of fare you have to pay? The bus fare. So bus fare, house rent, car rent, all these words are used as modifier as noun. So I think it has been clear to you. Now we can use adjective as modifier. Adjective as modifier. So you will get such kind of sentence. He is a dash. Use an adjective as pre-modifier. Boy. Boy. So he is a dash boy. So you have to use an adjective here. So you can use good. He is a good boy. He is a talented boy. He is a genius boy. Genius. So there are many kinds of adjective which will be used here, but you have to keep in mind that as there is an article A, the adjective must be used which is started as with a consonant. And if there was an, he is an, then you cannot use this adjective here. Then you have to use an adjective that will be started with a vowel or vowel sound. So he is an, you can write here honest honest. So notice here, though the word honest has been started with S, but the sound will be from O, honest. And I have said that the adjective must be started with a vowel or vowel sound. It is not a vowel, it is a consonant, but we have found the sound O here, honest. So you can use here, he is an honest boy. Or you can write here, intelligent. Intelligent. He is an intelligent boy. He is an ideal boy. Ideal boy. All these are adjective and it is a pre-modifier. So notice here, there is mentioned use an adjective. Again here, you can get such kind of instruction. You will get such kind of instruction. Use a pre-modifier of noun. Noun. You know the word boy is noun, and you have to use an adjective which will modify the word noun. All these instructions are same. Use an adjective as modifier, or use a modifier of noun, or use a pre-modify the noun, use the pre-modifier the noun. All these are same. So okay, I think it has been also clear to you. Now, noun adjective. Noun adjective. Here, though the word noun is before adjective, but when you will get such kind of instruction, you have to use at first an adjective, then noun. This is called noun adjective. Suppose if you get a sentence, Kamalapur is a use a noun adjective as station. The sentence Kamalapur is a station, but there is an instruction for you to use a noun adjective. That means you have to use at first an adjective and then noun. So how can you modify this station? You know, Kamalapur, a railway station, which is the biggest station in Bangladesh. So you can write here, Kamalapur is a famous railway station. Kamalapur is a famous railway station. Station is a noun, railway is also a noun, and famous is an adjective. So I have said before you that though you will get noun adjective, but adjective will be used first and then noun. So famous adjective, then noun. You can also write here, Kamalapur is a busy railway station. Busy. You see, busy is also adjective and then railway, noun. So now you can use adverb. Adverb will be used as modifier. The old man old man walks. The old man walks. The old man walks. Use an adverb as modifier. The old man walks. So you have to use an adverb here to modify the word walks. So as this modifier has been used after the verb, so it is called post modifier. So the man walks, the old man walks slowly, 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 an adverb, and it has modified the word walks. So, and it has been used after the word walks. So it is called post modifier. That means it is a post modifier. You can also get the instruction use a post modifier of the verb. Use a post modifier of the verb. So the instruction is, but the answer is the same. You can also get such kind of sentence. The young man ran use an adverb as modifier. Fast. The young man ran. You have to use an adverb, then fast. So easily you can write here very, very. And you know what is adverb? Adverb always modifies an adjective, a verb, and another adverb. So very is an adverb. Here it has modified fast. You know, fast is an adverb, very is another adverb. So very, an adverb has modified another adverb. Very fast. Again, very is used also as intensifier. You will get intensifier. When you will be instructed to use an intensifier, in 90% cases, you can use very. And besides very, you can also use acute, severe, more, most. All these words are used as intensifier. So I will discuss later with this term again. Adverb phrase. Adverb phrase. You know, phrase is a group of words. Phrase is a group of words and used as a single word. So, when you will be instructed to use an adverbial phrase or adverb phrase, then you will keep in mind that an adverb will be used must, and another single word or more than words will be used with that adverb. Suppose I get up. Here the instruction is use an adverb phrase. Adverb phrase. That means a phrase will modify the verb get up. So I get up. If you write here early in the morning, early in the morning. So early is an adverb, and when you will use another single word or more than words according to your need, according to your necessary, that will be a phrase. And as there is an adverb here, this is of course an adverbial phrase. So I get up early in the morning. Early in the morning is an adverbial phrase. Okay. Now participle. Participle. You know, participle is a word that comes from verb and works as an adjective. Participle is a word that comes from verb and used as an adjective. There are three types of participle: present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. So when you will be instructed to use a participle as modifier, then you will get either present participle or past participle. Perfect participle is not used as modifier in this term. So we will get three types of participle: present participle, present participle, past participle, perfect participle. Perfect participle. So I have mentioned, I have said that perfect participle will not be used here. We have to use present participle and past participle. So what is present participle? You have to know the structure. Present participle means verb V1 plus ing. Present participle. That means you have to use ing with the base form of principal verb. Present participle. And past participle, V3 form of verb, principal verb, V3 form. That means PPV, which is past participle of principal verb. Past participle of principal verb, V3 form will be used as past participle. So if now I can write a sentence. Dash use a present participle as modifier. Man catches at a straw. A dash man catches at a straw. That means you have to use a present participle. Present participle means verb plus ing. A drowning man. Drawn. Drawn is a verb. That means to go under water. And ing, drowning. A drowning man. A drowning man catches at a straw. You can get another sentence. I saw a man. I saw a man use present participle as modifier on the bed. So I saw a man dash on the bed. So you have to use here present participle means var plus ing. So you can write sleeping. Sleep is a verb, and I added ing. A sleeping man. I saw a man sleeping. You can also write sitting. Sitting. I saw a man sleeping on the bed. I saw a man sitting on the bed. So all these two words have been added ing, and it is present participle. And past participle, if you are instructed to use a past participle, suppose the man bought a use a past participle fish from the market. So the man bought a, you are instructed to use a past participle here. That means if you write here a big, the man bought a big fish, it is an adjective but not past participle. So if you are instructed to use an adjective or pre-modify the noun, then this word was correct. Then your answer was correct. But as it is not a past participle, so here this answer will not be correct. So what you have to write here, of course, a verb, and that will be B3 form, past participle of principal form. If you write here rotten, rot, rotten. The man bought a rotten fish from the market. That means the fish was not in a good state. The fish was not in a fit position to eat. Again, you can get another sentence. We should not drink use past participle, or suppose here the instruction is only use a participle as modifier. Water. So this is a technique of a question. If you are instructed to use participle, then you have to use according to the necessary of the question. Whether it will be a present participle or past participle. That what is sweet for the sentence, then you have to use. So we should not drink dash water. So it will be polluted water. Polluted. The word polluted comes from pollute. Pollute is a verb. Again, you can write contaminated water. Contaminated water. we should not drink polluted water or contaminated water. These two words are past participle of principal verb. So you can either polluted or contaminated. Okay, dear students, I have discussed up to the participle. The next term will be discussed in our next class, and those who are connected with our class, I hope all of you and you will encourage our another dear students to attend or to join the class so that everybody will be benefited from the class. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.